Welcome to my bidet converter kit channel. My name is RJ and I've been a handyman all my life. I started at age 8 fixing things. Later I built my own house from the ground up. I've spent 18 years serving customers to improve every aspect of their home until I was disabled. Now I'm looking forward to serving you in the bidet converter kit market. I have put together a free 80-page, 5-volume buyer's guide, one volume for each type of kit. This is a buyer's guide for 2023 that explains the 5 types of kits with the difficulty level of installation. You can get your free bidet converter kit buyer's guide explained at abidetconverterkit.com. Click on the link in the description below and don't forget to like and subscribe. That will make RJ happy. So here I'll give you a 360 view of the Veken Ultra Slim Bidet Attachment. It's got the dual nozzle posterior wash and feminine wash, adjustable pressure. Keep in mind this is a cold water only, non-electric. And just a tip, if you've got one that you are hooking hot water up to, that may not be a cost you want to invest in, because the water doesn't get to it right away, so you're waiting on hot water while it's spraying in order to get it. Better might be to go with an electric that has a heater built in it, so it's heating the water. But for the price, this is a good unit, and take a look at it. It's definitely ultra thin. Super easy to install. You can see there on the handle there are 4 settings for water pressure. Seems to be a pretty decent unit. Let's get to the unboxing. Let's see what we've got here. Why, it's a bidet converter kit. Don't need this. It's the Veken. It's one of the cheapest on Amazon. Oh, it's got an easy open pull tab. How's that for convenience? Alright, get this out. That's it. Go. Alright, first things first. Got some extra feet for the stool. Check up the difference of the thickness. Here's the adjusting plate. Should mount to the toilet. And Teflon tape seems to be pretty heavy. I was thinking we'd probably have to wrap it quite a few times on the installation. Nice braided hose. Up 2 foot long. Metal T-adapter for your water line. It's nice. I like the coned rubber washer inside. That makes for an easy seal. Now for the unit itself. The first thing I see is this is a metal fitting attaching it. That's a plus. The control here It feels nice and smooth. Can you hear that click? That's kind of nice. That helps you know where you're adjusting to, so you don't have to lean over and look at it. Get used to the clicks, you'll know. Then we've got the sprayers, plastic. They seem like a pretty good fit. They're not real sloppy, so the tolerance in building this thing is good. As you can see, the installation is pretty easy. It'll fit most any toilet. But I'm really surprised. I was expecting it to be a lot chintzier, cheaper, but it's actually built pretty good. The plastic is a good styrene, and it seems really strong. Very little flex to it. And this chamber here is what all fills up with water. So it pushes it out here. So that's pretty thin, but it seems decent. And that is the Veken or Veken, however you want to say it. We'll find out after we install it. That is for another video. Thanks for watching. My name's RJ, and we'll be back. RJ surprised. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. And head on over to a bidetconverterkit.com. Pick up my free 80-page buyer's guide.